once you scan the QR code, then you come into the app where you can actually, it will be filtered according to the garden or the place, the specific place. So for example, like Budwar Park or whatever, right? Like based on the area where you live. And then you can see the activities for it. You can sign up, like if there's like cricket or whatever, dance and all that. Then you can actually so you can actually schedule the parents, the families can also schedule their own activities, right? So for example, if I'm a parent, I can schedule like a some session, and then I give my description, and like I can also say like I need some assistance, like another person along with me as a helper, right? And then the next thing is also I can register my child for the activity, right? So for example, if I'm a parent and I want to sign my kid up for the dance, whatever, so I can also tell them if I have special needs, like for example, if my child is autistic, right? So I can make sure that all these accommodations are taken into place, and then I can sign up or I can volunteer for this activity, right? And then I can also do. There's also a forum in the same app where you can actually see issues in that space, right? So if there's a broken swing set or a broken pipe, I can update or upvote that this is the issue, and as a parent, create a forum for that, or volunteer to fix the issue or add a new issue. So if I, for example, I add new issue, so I can select maintenance, for example, and then I can also select my problem. I can select it from this swing set, whatever. Then I can also allocate my budget like 10,000, and I can also say like what is the time required to fix it, right? 6 months, for example. And then I can also say if I need funding from someone else or I can fund it. So if I can fund it on my own, 5,000 is not a big deal. I can click on no. That means I am paying for it, right? I am owning this, taking ownership, and I'm fixing it. So I can then volunteer. No, it's like in my community, my area, right? So and then or I can if I don't I don't want to do this, I can actually assign it to someone as the issue will come here and someone can volunteer and take this up. Right? So here we're just trying to make people feel more proactive about providing or working with spaces that they're in their area. So that's the kind of initiative that we're going for. So what did you guys think
मैंने पाइनएप्पल बनाया पाइनएप्पल
बस कर अभी बंद कर